Hi, welcome everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you automated EDA library in Python, which can help you to do the EDA for the data. Okay, so we'll start with the example. So I have already loaded the data file in my uh, Google Colab and used it to read the data file. First of all, I will install the relevant library that's called sweetviz. So you have to install it like this. Then you load the sweetviz library, and then you don't need to load them because the documentation of this library requires this because then you can access the data that is available within the library. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I will load them, and it will show me the version of the sweetviz is 2.3.1. Then from my df file I will remove the missing values, and then the command is report.sv.analyze df2. So what it will happen is when I run this, it will do the EDA in the background for each variable. It will analyze the feature for each variable in the background. Okay, and when it is done, it will tell me to now use the show report. So this is a show report command. When I run this, it will store the show report command, the report.html here. So what you can do is either you can double click here, or what I can do is that you can just download it. I will press download. It will show up here. So you can first either save it or directly open it as you want. So what I will do is I will press open. So you can see this suite visualization has been opened. Here you can see for each variable its histogram is here, and then you can notice that the most of the observations are available for year 2000. Okay, and if I click it, so you can see the most of the frequent values are here 2021. So this way you have, and then you can see its correlations with the other data, and then with the categorical correlation. Okay, and then the country values, it has the names, so it has these countries and the observation size, and then there are missing values. It has a correlation with other variables. Okay, and then this first variable, it is telling me how many observations, so it looks not normal, and then it has the correlation with other variables. Okay, and then the other next variable, this variable. So this way you are able to generate a report on your data. Okay, what further you can do is that there are no missing values in the data because I have already removed the missing values. Now if you want to see associations, you can click it here. You will have the correlation or association charts. Okay, so this way you can have a look in the correlations. And then it is talking about the SQAs are actually categorical association because the country is a categorical variable, and circles are the numerical correlation. Okay, and the diagonal is empty because we don't it's usually one. So this way you can have a quick view of your variables, and then you can use this screenshot or the picture as a explanation or presentation of your data. So this library is presented by the names is here, Francis Bertrand, and the design by Jean Francis Heinz. Okay, so I hope you understand how to use this library to overview your variables. Thank you.